What are the benefits of jailbreaking Xbox One?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic, jailbreaking the Xbox One. What does it mean? What are the benefits? And why might you want to consider doing it? We'll answer all these questions and more. Just remember, this discussion is for informational purposes only and not an endorsement of such activities, which may be illegal or violate warranties.
What is jailbreaking?
In the simplest terms, jailbreaking is the process of removing software restrictions imposed by the official operating system. When we talk about jailbreaking an Xbox One, we refer to removing these restrictions to gain access to features or capabilities that the standard system does not allow.
Access to free games.
The most well-known benefit of jailbreaking your Xbox One is getting access to free games. This means you can download and install games without paying for them. Although tempting, keep in mind that this is illegal and unethical, harming the game developers who put time, money, and effort into creating these experiences.
Customization.
Customization is another significant advantage of jailbreaking. You can personalize your Xbox One, change the themes, icons, and even the system's user interface. You'll get the ability to tailor the console to your preferences, creating a truly unique gaming environment.
Additional applications and mods.
After jailbreaking, you'll be able to install additional applications and mods that aren't available on the standard Xbox One. These can range from emulators to play retro games, media center applications, or game mods that alter the gameplay experience in various ways.
Region lock bypass.
Some games and content are restricted based on your geographical location, a practice known as region locking. Jailbreaking can bypass this, providing access to a wider variety of games and content not available in your region. In conclusion, while jailbreaking your Xbox One opens up new possibilities, it's important to consider the legal and ethical implications, as well as the potential risks to your console. You might void your warranty or even brick your device. The decision to jailbreak should not be taken lightly. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insight into the world of Xbox One jailbreaking. Thanks for watching, and remember, gaming is more fun when we respect the rules and each other. Happy gaming!